Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to scroll down a web page using the Python Selenium WebDriver. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and it provides a Python API to interact with web elements. Make sure you have the following installed on your machine. Create a new Python script and start by importing the necessary libraries. Initialize the WebDriver with your preferred browser, in this case, we'll use Chrome. Replace /path /to /chromedriver with the actual path to your chromedriver executable. Navigate to the web page you want to scroll. Replace https://example.com with the URL of the web page you want to scroll. You can use the keys class to simulate keyboard actions. In this case, we'll use the keys.arrow_down to scroll down. Change the range or adjust the delay as needed. Alternatively, you can use JavaScript to scroll down. This method is often more reliable. After you have finished scrolling, make sure to close the WebDriver. This tutorial covered the basics of scrolling down a web page using the Python Selenium WebDriver. You can adapt and extend these examples based on your specific needs. Experiment with different scroll methods and customize the script according to the structure of the web page you are working with. ChatGPT